Hey, it's Vanessa from Zoras, the fireplace store. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Modern Flames Redstone Electric Fireplace. Redstone Electric Fireplaces are available in 26, 30, 36, 42, and 54-inch sizes, offering flexible options to suit any space. For the 26 to 36-inch models, an optional trim kit is available to retrofit into an existing opening with minimal to no construction. Each unit features an integrated LED log set, adjustable flame speed, and 6 flame color options to customize the ambiance to your preference. With 6 top and bottom lighting options and a fully dimmable design, you can easily create the perfect atmosphere for any setting. Equipped with timer and thermostat option, a 5000 BTU heater, these fireplaces can comfortably heat spaces up to 500 square feet, delivering both style and warmth. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. And if there's more videos that you'd like to see or any questions that you have, please comment below. Stay tuned.